Look at that cat, he's fishing like a girl. Fishing like a girl. Put it between his legs. I didn't put it between his legs. That one there's running out towards the ankle. Maybe that's a cobia.
Could be a kingfish.
Could be a cobia. Just keep it off the boat. Keep it out there to the side.
You want me to stay in?
Got to get this other net just in case. Could be that cuda too.
Let me know when he gets up and I can drop.
Go home, get away from we got to let you know they're home, don't we?
No.
Got to call them high. Yeah, that's not. Hello, Jack.
This is the best runner I've had.
No, buddy. Keep going.
I ain't had nothing run this good.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that also be good tonight, damn it.
This one's bigger than the biggest one. See what I'm saying?
That's what's up right
All
there.
that I just gained, I just lost.
I am done.
At least Jones wasn't running that way.
Yeah, under the boat.
Spinning you around.
That's rough on that back there. Lift that rod and get it bend in it. There you go.
I'd like to,
Put that thing like a little
You
groove
want
for
to
your
find?
leg.
You want the belt?
Put that down there.
You want the belt?
No, I'm gonna get this business. I just gotta be patient. He'll get tired. I gotta wear him down before he wears me down. That's a good one though, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It's serious for sure.
That's an amberjack. I got a bigger one, that's for sure. Now that was 16. I dropped it down. The deeper I'm going, the bigger the fish.
That water's not super clear.
No. Pretty though. Yeah. Now he's getting tired. Now who's winning? Now who's the girl? Come on, girl.
You can fish like wicked tuna. Just put it in the rod hole.
Come on, girl.
What we did with that last one, it wasn't 5 foot deep.
Yeah, I was just hanging over. Oh, shit. Good thing it was in the rod holder because it'd been gone.
Yeah.
Look at another jack. Oh, that's another fish following it.
Now it's going in the boat. I'm trying to keep I'm fired though. This fish is fired.
That's another amberjack. Like, yeah, what I saw it coming too.
I see a barracuda down there. Here's the fish over here. Yeah, I see him there. And if he's as big as he looks right now, he's an awesome.
What is that right there?
Look at it.
More is after you.
All these fish, these jacks are right there.
What's this right here?
It's full of ground, whatever.
Holy shit, mama.
Look at this right here.
Oh, crap.
Full of ground there.
I'm a keeper. Whoa!
Still on. I thought I did, but I ripped his whole head. It's alright, we'll lay him in the bottom of the boat there.
Alright, watch this.
Go ahead and give yourself some slack.
Hold the
He's got the gap.
gap. You got
I
the
got
gap?
yeah.
Okay, now we're at the gap.
Yes, sir, that's a good one there. I'm glad we tossed that last one back.
Oh, man.